That's a good one. What would I hope to achieve with a new Scrum team in the first 90 days? 90 days should be enough for everything. That's my view. Um, it depends on where the team is and where their organization is and what the organizational constraints are going to be. Because I'm sure there's organizations I've gone in to help teams with where there is very limited support from the rest of the organization, and then you're working within that bounded box, right? And you can poke at it, but you get limited ability to do that. But if you have an open, receptive organization and open, receptive leadership within the organization, you should be able to take them from 0 to 100 in 90 days, right? They should be able to go from barely able to deliver a working product or not delivering a working product at the end of every sprint to continuous delivery in that time. That should be where you want to get them. That the end of that 90 days, they are able to continuously deliver usable working product to production, separating out the ideas of release, right, which is a business idea, and delivery, which is an engineering practice, and enable the product owner to better represent the value, right, that the business now have an understanding of the value or what value is for them, right? Because that's different for every organization. What value means to them, so that you can then have rational conversations with them about what things are more important than other things and why, so that you have a ordered backlog, a direction, a goal, right? What is it we're trying to achieve together? That then informs that release side, right? What are we actually going to ship? You've got that engineering side with the continuous delivery of value to production, right? Continuous delivery of value to production. And then you mesh that together, then closing the feedback loop, right, with learning. So are you then able to collect telemetry and talk to users and figure out whether you're actually building the right thing? Are the business value ideas actually correct? Have you validated them? And then close that feedback loop all the way around to change what it is we're working on based on those things that we learned. That's kind of the minimum that I would expect to get to in 90 days. And then hopefully within those 90 days, I've found somebody within that organization who is able to be the champion for this process, or everyone being the champion for this process, this new way of working going forward, so that at the end of 90 days, right, I can back off, let them get on with it, right? They've built their unique glove organizational structure, right, that fits them like a glove, that they're then able to take forward and use, and then perhaps be available to help tweak, coach, answer questions, be available after that. But ultimately, it's their problem to solve, it's their work to do, and if we can get them to a certain place in the first 90 days that they all understand it, then they should be able to take it from there. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum, or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through Naked Agility.